Students, welcome to our group of schools for online classes. This is Naresh Sharma, English teacher. Today we will continue the topic voice. In the previous videos we have completed the voice of present definite tense, continuous tense and perfect tense. Today we will start from simple past. In simple past, for changing into passive voice we have to use was or were as helping verb. So with the help of examples we will understand, like they broke the wall. So this is a sentence of simple past tense. So the wall and here will be was, according to the number of subject, was will be there. The wall was, third form the verb, broken by them. Next is he did not call the doctor. Object is the doctor. The doctor was not called by, an object of he will be him. Next is the sentence is interrogative. Did you see the movie? So if the sentence is interrogative, active voice, the passive voice will also be interrogative. So as per the rule, here will be was, according to the movie. Was the movie seen by you? Because the object of you is you. And next is why did Halku not pay the money? This is also interrogative, but this sentence starts with question word. If the sentence of active voice starts with question word, the passive voice will also start with question word, the same question word. So why, according to the object money, will be was. Why was the money not paid by Halku? Next is past continuous tense. In past continuous tense we have to use was or were plus being. Like she was preparing the breakfast. So the breakfast was being prepared by, an object of she is her. They were not writing a letter. A letter was not being written by them. Was he not buying the books? So according to the books will be were the books not being bought by him. Next, when were the boys playing cricket? When, according to cricket, will be was. When was cricket being played by the boys? Next is past perfect tense. In this tense we have to use had been. She had completed the work. So the answer will be the work had been completed by her. The boys had not played hockey. The hockey had not been played by the boys. Had the children not written the essay? Had the essay not been written by the children? Why had the girl not washed the bedsheet? Why had the bedsheet not been washed by the girl? Next is future indefinite tense. In this tense we have to use will or shall plus be. Okay. She will call her sister. Her sister will be called by her. I will not beat you. You will not be beaten by me. Will they not help you? Will you not be helped by them? Why will the police not arrest the thief? Why will the thief not be arrested by the police? Next is future perfect tense. In this tense we have to use will have been or shall have been. I will have completed the journey by evening. The answer will be the journey will have been completed by me by evening. She will not have investigated the matter. The matter will not have been investigated by her. Will they not have written a letter? So answer will be will a letter not have been written by them. Why will the boys not have completed the work? Why will the work not have been completed by the boys? Thank you.